Good morning all. This is Arohi Maheshwari from grade 6. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Tuesday and today's date is 30th September 2025. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all. This is Manjari Patil from grade 6. Every Tuesday we observe Thoughtful Day. Thought also on behalf of it, I would like to share a thought. The thought is translation is that which transforms everything so that nothing changes. Thank you.
Good morning all, this is Sarvesh Rao from grade 6.
Good morning everyone, my name is Arav Kambe from grade 6.
Good morning everyone, I am Harshvardhan Godi from grade 6.
Good morning everyone, this is Ayush Rande from grade 6.
We are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today is International Translation Day. International Translation Day is celebrated on 30 September every year. Honors translate the language experts.
Help us to understand books, movies, science and people from other countries. Now we are talking about the importance of translation. Helps people from different countries understand each other.
Makes books, websites and games available for many languages. Now let's have a look at the difference between translators and interpreters. Translators change written words from one language to another language.
Interpreters change spoken word during conversation or meeting. They help schools, hospitals, business and governments.
Translation connects us by making it possible to share stories, ideas across the world.
Helps people to work together in science, sports and business. Promotes peace and understanding between culture.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that learn a few words to another language. Thank translators and language teachers.
Watch a movie in a different languages with the subtitles.
Language connect hearts, minds. Let's celebrate the people who help us understand